What's the meaning of cheesed off? Cheesed off. Cheesed off.
Cheesed off. Cheesed off. Cheesed off is a British slang phrase that means feeling angry, irritated, or fed up with something or someone. It is often used to describe a state of annoyance that can result from any number of sources, such as being stuck in traffic, dealing with difficult people, or experiencing a series of bad luck. The feeling is usually temporary and can be alleviated by taking a break, venting frustrations to a trusted friend, or engaging in a stress-relieving activity.